Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna pesto pasta. Start by boiling pasta in salted water until al dente, then drain and reserve some cooking water. Meanwhile, blend basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper until smooth to make pesto. Flake canned tuna and gently fold into the pesto with pasta, adding reserve. Gather your ingredients and prep before you cook to keep things smooth and quick. Toast pine nuts briefly for extra depth, then let them cool before blending with basil and garlic. Grate fresh parmesan rather than pre-shredded for better melting and flavor. Drain pasta, but keep some water to help the pesto coat every strand evenly, and have tuna ready to flake and fold in at the end. Cook the pasta to al dente and blend the pesto to your preferred texture, leaving a little rustic body if you like. Combine the warm pasta with pesto off the heat and stir in flaked tuna carefully so it stays chunky. Add reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time until the sauce clings nicely. Then finish with lemon and extra parmesan to brighten the flavors before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.